In today's class, we will be learning the topic, seafood cookery. Fish and seafoods are creatures that live in either fresh or salt water. They are broadly classified into two groups, namely, fin fish and shellfish. Fin fish are aquatic vertebrates characterized by the presence of fins and scales on their bodies, distinguishing them from shellfish and other aquatic organisms. These fish encompass a vast array of species found in both freshwater and saltwater environments, ranging from familiar varieties like salmon, trout, and cod to exotic species inhabiting tropical coral reefs. Shellfish are aquatic invertebrates belonging to various taxonomic groups, including mollusks and crustaceans, characterized by the presence of a shell or exoskeleton for protection. Mollusks, such as clams, oysters, and mussels, typically have a soft body enclosed within a hard calcium carbonate shell. Crustaceans, such as crabs, lobsters, and shrimp, possess a segmented body covered by a tough exoskeleton made of chitin. Nutritive value of fish. Fish are highly nutritious, offering valuable protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, while being low in saturated fat and calories, making them beneficial for overall health. Methods of cooking food: frying, boiling, stewing, steaming, grilling, baking. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.